Spreadex lets you bet on a huge range of UK, US and European shares. Everything's listed alphabetically, so finding the one you're interested in won't take you long. With most shares, you have 4 options, the rolling daily and 3 quarterly contracts too. Rolling dailies let you bet on the price of a share at the end of the current trading day. Of course, you're free to close your trade before that or to roll it over into the next day if you need to. Rolling dailies have tighter spreads, so it's cheaper to hop in and out of a trade. But if you do keep them open overnight, you'll pay a small charge for that privilege. Quarterly bets don't cost you anything to carry, but you pay a larger spread when you make the trade. When you're deciding how much to bet, always be aware of how volatile the share is. You can do this by studying the share's history. Just click on the chart icon. You can study the price movement over the last few days, weeks and months. Another thing to remember when setting your stake size is the price of the share. A share like Kraft Foods had a buy price of $3,187 when we made this video. A £5 a point bet on Kraft will expose you to a lot more risk than a £5 a point bet on Krispy Kreme, which when we last checked had a buy price of $755. If you're considering making a bet on a few shares, add them to your watch list and keep an eye on them for a few days. To give an example of a daily shares bet, if you placed a £10 buy of GlaxoSmithKline with Spreadex at 1,260 and the market closed at 1,280 that day, you would make £200, the 20-point difference from your winning bet multiplied by your £10 stake. However, if the market had closed down at 1,250, you would have lost £100, the 10-point difference from your losing bet multiplied by your £10 stake.